One thing that can make engagement letters so complicated is the different fee types require different language in your engagement letters. In Practist, the engagement letters live within the system. They come preloaded with different language for each type of fee, which of course you can edit to meet your own needs. What this does is it creates a smart automation where it auto-populates correct language based on fee type without you having to do anything. When you enter a new case, you simply select your type of fee, and the system only asks you the questions that are relevant to your fee type. This is good because if you're trying to train an admin to enter new cases for you, you don't have to train them on which fields to fill in or ignore in a sea of a million different fields. It only asks for the relevant information. So you enter that in, then when you go to accept the case and send the engagement letter, everything is automatically where you want it, how you want it. Then you send the engagement letter to the client directly through the app with just the click of a button. And when they sign, it automatically updates the case to open status and assigns you a task to begin working on the case.